Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. We need to use about partial fractions. So because this is about the power number 2, so this one we need to create as plus b over s squared plus number 4. So on numerator, we need to reduce by negative number 1. That means number 2 minus number 1. So you got about s. So this one will reduce the power from number 1 to number 0. And s to the power of number 0, that is about number 1. Now we can do similar for the second one. Next, we can do common denominator. So, in this one, it is missing about this one. So, as plus b multiplied by this one. This one multiplied by this one. And now we need to expand this one. And we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s to the power of 3, that is about a plus c. About s squared, that is about b plus d. About s, that is about 9a plus 4c. About the numbers, that is about 9b plus 4d. So we need to compare coefficient. We can say that this is about number 1. So that means this one equals to number 1. This one, and this one equals to number 0 because we don't have this one, and this one in here. Now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. So 8 equals to 1, number 0. B equals to 1 over 5. C equal to number 0. And D equals to negative 1 over 5. So we put A, B, C, D go in here. And we have the final answer. So 8 equal to number 0. So we can solve this one. B, D, that is about 1 over 5. C, that is about number 0. We can solve. D, that is about negative 1 over 5. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 8 octane of s over 8, and I will put about c. So number 4, that is about 2 square. Number 9, that is about 3 square. So the integration of this one and this one, we can apply the same formula in here. So that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.